Hi everyone, my name is Shobhit. Welcome to our YouTube channel Helm of Science. Today our topic is expansion. So now whatever we discuss today, that is not only important for class 8, class 9 or class 10. This is important for whole class of mathematics. Whenever you in class 8, you have to apply this formula. Whenever you in class 9, you apply to this formula. Or whenever you will go to board class 10, here also we apply this formula. This expansion is very much important. So in this expansion, we are trying to do some formulas, some typically well-known formula, and then I will show you how the formula can apply to different types of mathematics. So now we all know, everyone, you have heard about this a plus b whole square. Fine, a plus b whole square. Now what is the formula of a plus b whole square? That is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Fine, this is the a plus b whole square formula. So now the question arises, so we have to mug up all the formula, or we can derive this formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if I say, if you are preparing for your exam, or when you will give your exam, then mugging up or remembering this formula is good, because if you derive the a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, it can take time. So for my suggestion that you will remember it, and try this, how to derive a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So both things have to do, and then you remember this one. So now how a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square? First, suppose when I write 2 square, then what is the actually we will do? 2 square means 2 into 2, that's equal to 4. Like that, when we do a square, then what we will do? A into a. We do this like this. So if I write a plus b whole square, then it is also a plus b into a plus b. Fine? A plus b. So actually this a plus b into a plus b equal to this one. So how it will come, I will show you. Suppose here we multiply a plus b into a plus b. Fine? A plus b into a plus b. So you multiply it. So what will come? A first. Take it A and multiply by both, or then take it B and multiply by both. Fine. So A into A equal to A into A. Then this one multiply with this one, A into B. Then this one will multiply this by this one, B into A, and lastly B into B. Fine. So what will we get? A into a square plus ab, b and ab both are equal, ab plus ab and plus ab, that means 2 into ab plus b square. So how? By this way we get a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Fine. Next, so or we can apply this, if you don't habituated to do this type of multiplication, there is another method. Look at this. A plus b, here. A plus b into a plus b. Now a into a, then a into b, then b into a, then b into b. Here we get also a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square is proved. Now this is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square is fine. Now we will group a minus b whole square. Now what is a minus b whole square? The formula of a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Right? Or we can write also a square plus b square minus 2ab. Both are correct. Now how this formula will come. Find a into a square plus a into minus b, that means minus ab, then minus b into plus a, plus ab, then minus into minus, that means minus b into minus b. Fine. I use second bracket, then what happened? A square minus ab, sorry, minus ab and minus ab becomes 2ab, and minus b into minus b becomes plus b square. By this way, we get a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Fine. Okay, plus two formula we check. Next formula is very important. This formula will apply every type of problem. If you apply in compound interest, mensuration, whatever the problem is, you can apply that next expansion of this term, a square minus b square. Fine. This will very important. A square minus b square. We are used to write a plus b into a minus b. So now, how will you get a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b? In the previous two expansion, we are doing a plus b into a plus b or a minus b into a minus b. Here, the terms or the sign of the second term, the b, is different. So, how the sign changes the formula into this a plus b into a minus b. Fine. Now, a into a is a square plus a into plus b, ab. Fine. Plus a into minus b, that is minus ab. I again repeat, plus a into minus b equal to minus ab, and minus into plus, that becomes minus b into b, that is b square. So what happened? I again repeat, a in plus a into plus a equal to a square, plus a into plus b equal to ab, minus a into plus a minus ab, minus into plus equal to minus b square. Now this ab and this ab are same and opposite in magnitude. Fine. AB cancel out each other, we get a square minus b square. Fine. Now when I say that formula is very important, suppose if you do a mensuration problem, when I will teach you mensuration, I will be going details, but here I will show you how this formula can utilize. Okay, and I hope that's everything. Everybody write it. Now suppose this is a ring. Fine. Sorry, this is a ring. When we have, this is a radius r and this is the radius smaller. Fine. This is the radius r, this is the radius of smaller. I will draw properly. Fine. This smaller and this is capital R. So the B circle have area capital R and the small circle have area small r. What we know that the area of circle is pi into r square. For big circle, this becomes pi into capital R square, and for this one, pi into small r square. When we will take common, pi r square minus r square. Now in problem, they will give you different types of r value. Suppose 17 square minus 15 square. Fine. Now doing the square of 17 square and 15 square then minus is too much, not so difficult, but it can take your time or it can kill your time. So in these types of problem, we actually apply this formula, that a square minus b square. So how can I write? Pi into 17 minus, suppose 17 can be equated with a and 15 can be equated with b. All okay? 17, 15 can be equated with b. Now what is the formula? A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. 17 plus 15, that is a plus b, and 17 minus b, that's equal to a minus b. Fine. Now what will we get? 17 plus 15, 32, and 17 minus 15 is 2. 17 minus 15 is 2, and 17 plus 15 equal to 32, and 32 into 2 to the 4, which is 6. Now this will very much short time taking, but if you will do 17 square, suppose you will do 17 square, that means if you don't remember the value of 17 square, 15 square, you have to do 17 into 17, then 15 into 15, then you minus it and you will get answer. But when I apply the formula of a square minus b square, the problem is easy to find. This type, by this way, this expansion will help you to do lot of problems. Okay, so we have discussed the main pillar of the expansion, the three formula. Now we have to use the three formula to get another types of expansion. Now, suppose what we will write, a plus b whole square, a minus, suppose we do a plus b whole square, comma a minus b whole square, and a square minus b square. Fine. Now, when I add a plus b whole square into a minus b whole square, what will you get? Very carefully. Look very carefully. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square minus. What is the formula of a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Fine. Now we have to open the bracket. A square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square, minus into minus plus 2ab, plus into minus minus b square. A square is cancelled, b square is cancelled, so we get 2ab plus 2ab, that's equal to 4 into a into b. Got it? So a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 4 into a into b. This is a very important formula. Fine. I rub it. Then we will do subtract a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Fine. So now what? A plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Fine. Then a square minus 2ab plus b square. Fine. Now a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now plus into minus, it becomes minus a square. Minus into minus becomes plus 2ab, and plus into plus become minus b square. Now a square minus a square will cancel each other, b square cancel each other, and we will get 4ab. Just give me some 2 minutes. I did a mistakes. Here I do a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 4ab. That is not correct. I will derive further. Okay. A plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square, and what is plus, and what is the formula of a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Fine. So a square plus 2ab plus b square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now plus 2ab plus minus 2ab cancel it out. A square plus a square equal to 2 into a square plus b square into plus b square, 2b square. If we take common 2, then we will get 2a square plus b square. Fine. Now when we subtract a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, so what will we get? Again I write a square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. Fine. How will we get? A square, sorry, I will use bracket first, then I will open the bracket. A square minus 2ab plus b square. If I open the bracket, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square plus 2ab plus b square. B square cancel, minus b square plus b square cancel, plus a square minus a square cancel, we will get 2ab plus 2ab, that becomes 4ab. Fine. These are the formula of addition and subtraction of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. After this, I will show you a very two important formula, and this is the most important because I say most important because this two formula is actually dependent on that. That means I will show you how to do with it. I love it. Fine. Fine. So we have to now find a plus b whole square with help of a minus b whole square. Fine. So how we will get a plus b whole square with help of a minus b whole square? So, right. So here I write in this side I write the formula of a plus b whole square and there a minus b whole square. So what is the formula of a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. And what is the formula of a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Fine. In this two term there is no problem. The problem arises with this 2ab term. Here the 2ab is plus 2ab and here the 2ab is minus 2ab. So what we can add with this one, that we will get plus 2ab. Now here we have minus 2 and here we have plus 2. So we have to add or subtract something. There is question mark. Later the question mark is x. That is become plus 2. Fine. So if we will take on that side x equal to 2 plus 2, that's equal to 4. Fine. So this 4, if we add 4 with minus 2 we get plus 2. Here also we have to add 4ab. So we will get a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I can write a plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. And this is a trick. If I write a minus b whole square, then what we will do? First write a plus b whole square. Then what is the sign? Minus, that means give minus and you write 4ab. I again repeat the trick. Here a plus b, write when I find a plus b whole square in terms of a minus b whole square. First write a plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square. Okay. Then see what is the sign between a and b. That is plus. You will give plus and add 4ab. And suppose if you find a minus b whole square, then what happens? You write a plus b whole square. Then the sign is minus. Then give the sign is minus. Then write 4ab. This is a very important trick, and these two formulas will help you to solve many types of problems. Now we are discussing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 formulas. We have discussed 7 formula, and I write it down every formula. Okay. Whatever we have discussed today, I write it down again. A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 2 into a square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to 4 into a into b. And finally what is the formula? A plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square. The sign is plus, that is plus 4ab. A minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square. The sign is minus, that you will give minus and write 4ab. These 7s are our desired formula to solve various types of problems. Now we will do 2 or 3 4 types of problem. First is very easy. If I say expand this one, 3a plus 4b whole square, expand. This is a type 1 problem. Expand 3a plus 4b whole square. What we will do? Now, first we have to match everything with our 7 formulas. How it look like? It look like a plus b whole square. Right? Here, a is replaced by 3a and b is replaced by 4b. Fine. So, what is the formula of a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So, a square means 3a whole square. Now find 3a square, not 3a square, 3a whole square, because the whole term is a. So we have to square in whole term. Next, then 2 into a, that means 3a. Fine. Now then 4b, 5 plus 4b whole square. Okay. Next, 3a square means 9a square plus 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 4, 24, a into b, ab plus 16 b square. How? By this way we explain these types of formula. Now I will show you an interesting problem applying this a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Look at very carefully. If I give you a problem defined 999 square or 99 square, how will you do? You do 999 into 999. It will take 4 to 5 minutes minimum, or minimum 2 to 3 minutes will have to take. It will take. So now except this multiplication, we apply our expansion formula. Now what is the formula of a minus b whole square? A square minus b square, sorry, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Fine. So here we have to write 999 or 99 in some way that we will get a minus b whole square. Suppose 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1. Fine. Got it? Or 990 become 100 minus 1. So if I square in this one, if I square in this one 99 square, that means 100 minus 1 square. Got it? Actually here I write 99 equal to 100 minus 1. Okay, I can write it. Then we squaring both sides. 99 square equal to 100 minus 1 square. Now this 100 becomes a and this becomes b. So I can write 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 1, that is minus 2 into a into b plus 1 square. That is very easy. 100 square means here 20. If we square we get 40. Fine. Minus 200 plus 1. 100 square is 20, squaring get 40, 2 into 100, 200 plus 1. So if I do 10,000 minus 200, what will we get? 0, 0, 8, 1, 0, and we add 1, 0, 8, 0, 1. So this is a very easy formula, but doing 99 into 99 it will be difficult and it will take and it may be wrong. But if you apply this formula, we will never wrong. Okay, this type of question can become, or the question setter or the examiner can say you refine 99 square or 999 square using the formula of expansion. Then you have to apply this type of concept. Now 999 square is your homeworks. You will do in homework 999 whole square by applying a minus b whole square. If you have any doubt, write down the comment section. I will help you, or I will solve the next problem. So now our next type of problem. So our next type of problem is this. Here the given term is a square plus 1 by a square equal to 14. Then they will ask you a plus 1 by a, then a minus 1 by a, and a square minus 1 by a whole square. Fine. So here the given term is, I write first given term a square plus 1 by a square. Sorry, this is given. Sorry, 14. So now we have to find a plus 1 by a. First, think that if in this case a square become a and 1 by a become b, so what I can write a square plus b square. In terms of that, a square become a square and b square become 1 by a square. So we can write a square plus 1 by a square equal to a plus b whole a square plus b square. Now if I add 2 into a into b, what will get? A plus b whole square. So here we have to add 2a. So by this phenomena, so now this is very easy to define a plus b whole square or find a plus b whole square. Fine. First I define a plus 1 by a whole square. First we derive this one. What is the formula of a plus 1 by a square? Equal to a square plus 2 into a into this one b, this term is b. Fine. Then b square plus 1 by a whole square. Now I take a square and 1 by a square one side. A square plus 1 by a square plus 2 into a into 1 by a. Now a cancel, so we have a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Fine. Now what is the value of a plus 1 by a square? That is 14. We have add 2, then we will get 16. So a plus 1 by a square equal to 16. So a plus 1 by a equal to root 16, that's equal to plus minus 4. Fine. We have a plus 1 by a equal to plus minus 4. Now we have to find a minus 1 by a. I rub it. Now a minus 1 by a. So again I define a minus 1 by a whole square. That becomes a square minus 2 into a into b. Fine. Then b square. What we will get? A square minus 2 into a into 1 by a plus 1 by a square. A cancel, so we will get a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. So what is the value of a square plus 1 by a square? That become 14 minus 2 is become 12. So a minus 1 by a whole square equal to 12. A minus 1 by a equal to root 12. Root 12 means 4 into 3 root. We can write 4 2 into 3. Okay, so the value of a minus 1 by a equal to 2 into root 3 plus or minus. So we have a plus 1 by a and a minus 1 by a. I rub it. Then what? I have to find a square minus 1 by a square. This is actually look like a minus b whole square. So in a this is a square, and in terms of b this is 1 by a. So formula is a plus b, that means a plus 1 by a, and this one is a minus 1 by a. Fine. So what is the value of a plus 1 by a? We have derived it plus 4. Or what is the value of a minus 1 by a? This is root 3. 2 root 3. That becomes 8 root 3. Fine. So the value of a plus 1 by a, that's problem 1, that is become 4. A minus 1 by a equal to 2 root 3, and a square minus 1 by a equal to 8 root 3. This is 2, this is 3. So today's class is end. So next day I will show 2 or 3 more difficult types of problem using this type of formula. This can come in class 8 or class 9 also and class 10 also. So practice this formula to problem, and most important, remember the all 7 formula we have learned today. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing. Thank you.